Racers ready at the tone. Scoring 15 down this one. They're looking out for the three. That's like this point just selling for Grayson. And stretch it so he can chill out with it. Guy on his slid, ball up here landed. We're going to go down. Really lost something. Goes on, gotta get a run. Down here. Stand off the track. Close. Kalani. Second lead for Grayson. Sam and Tyson go to the back. They want that one out. That's for fourth. Grayson in the pole. Out of the ball, nice and smooth for your leader. Grayson Poland on pace 21, 18. 27 with his pass. That's not 22. Keeping close to his average. But looking down the straightaway in the two. Here's Austin in the three. As you get your green, red, yellow, and black wing, you get to go to the second jump section. We're looking for the battle royale at the fourth of Sam, Tyson, and Kalani. Sam down the straightaway. So Tyson will step back a bit. Nursing an almost lap lead on the field here as he goes down the straightaway. He is lapped up to third at this point. That is what happened. Grayson Poland now has a full lap as he puts Eric down. Caution in the center, caution in the center. Whoa! Yeah, going right in front of the corner. Tyson putting the brush power down. He's trying to catch Kalani. Kalani 2 turns ahead. Red and yellow. That is your big place guy. Here comes Tyson. He wants to see the podium. He did it goes. One has an issue. Tyson promoted to the 5. Nitro Truggy. Sure you guys don't want a water, do you? But, 5.5 down, 2.5 to go. Still Grayson and Eric. Lenny's at the back, Tyson and Lonnie to the backside. Going on about a 3-second lead over Kalani. Just that same jump section there. Not too far. Tyson giving a little bit of time back on the front straightaway here. Kalani now on the front straightaway. So they're just running in hard in the battle for the 5. Austin making a push. There's your yellow and red truck going through the back section. That's your second place and third place, only 2 seconds back. Second place down the straightaway. Third place down the straightaway. That is the closest battle on the track. Besides Tyson and Kalani. And Tyson rolls over. Here comes Kalani. Oh, he's getting in the middle of the second battle. Tyson's back on his wheels. Everybody wants position here. That's fine. 50 seconds to go. Looking at Eric. Nurse it for another minute. Tires, the little tires Tyson three-wheeling it. 30 seconds to go. Eric down the straightaway. Austin. Austin down the straightaway. Come on, Austin. The alligator now. We have the alligator chasing the dumped battery. Very good around the straightaway. Austin across the line, what's it going to do? Dang it, it was the aerodynamic. The air is going to hold the second by the skin of his jumping batteries too. Wow. Grayson in the 1, Eric in the 2, Austin in the 3, Sam in the 3. We got Sam in the 4. Kalani should come around in the 5, and Tyson running up 6th.